Hey guys, I'm just going to jump on here and make a quick video for the mechanically inclined person. Just a shorter video, just meat and potatoes of how to do an oil change on the King Quad. So right here, there's normally a plastic cover. It's just got 3 push pins. There, there, and there. You remove it to get access to the dipstick, and that's also where you'll fill the oil. Underneath, right in the middle of the skid pan, there you can see there's a hole in there. It goes to a 17 mil bolt, and that's your drain plug. It's also got a crush washer on there I like to replace after every oil change. And then on the left side here, access to the oil filter. It is behind a dust guard. I just removed it for when I was filming, but you don't need to do that when you're changing it. I will also include a picture with the torque specs and tool sizes and part numbers of everything you need to do an oil change on a Suzuki King Quad 750. And yeah, just a quick video. Time for a beer.